Welcome to Top Rated Crew, the YouTube channel that helps you make the best online shopping. Today, we'll be looking at the 3 best vacuum cleaner on Amazon. Stay until the end of the video if you want to see which product we recommend is the best. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on our latest videos. The third position goes to the Eureka Powerful Bagless Upright Carpet. You can find the links for each product in the video description. The Eureka Powerful Bagless Upright Carpet Cleaner is designed for those seeking a reliable and efficient cleaning solution for their homes. This vacuum features a powerful motor that provides strong suction, making it effective for deep cleaning carpets, rugs, and hard floors. Its bagless design eliminates the need for replacement bags, allowing for easy emptying of the dust cup. Weighing in at a lightweight design, this vacuum is easy to maneuver around furniture and up and down stairs. It comes equipped with a range of tools, including a crevice tool and dusting brush, allowing for versatile cleaning in tight spaces and on delicate surfaces. The washable filter ensures that maintenance is simple and cost-effective. Additionally, the Eureka Powerful Bagless Upright Carpet Cleaner is designed with a compact footprint, making it easy to store in small spaces. With its combination of power, convenience, and versatility, this vacuum cleaner is an excellent choice for anyone looking to maintain a clean and tidy home. Number 2 is the Bissell CleanView Compact Turbo Upright Vacuum. The Bissell CleanView Compact Turbo Upright Vacuum is an ideal choice for those seeking a powerful yet lightweight cleaning solution. This vacuum features a strong suction that effectively picks up dirt, pet hair, and debris from various surfaces, including carpets and hard floors. Its compact design makes it easy to maneuver and store, perfect for homes with limited space. Equipped with a multicyclonic suction system, this vacuum maintains consistent performance without losing power, ensuring thorough cleaning with every use. The Turbo Brush tool allows for effective cleaning of upholstery and stairs, while the easy-to-empty dirt tank simplifies maintenance and disposal of collected dirt. Additionally, the vacuum includes a washable filter, reducing the need for replacements and contributing to long-term savings. With its combination of performance, convenience, and versatility, the Bissell CleanView Compact Turbo Upright Vacuum is an excellent investment for anyone looking to keep their home clean and tidy. And to finish, the first position goes to the Shark NV360 Navigator Liftaway Deluxe Upright Vacuum. The Shark NV360 Navigator Liftaway Deluxe Upright Vacuum offers powerful cleaning with versatility and convenience. Its liftaway feature allows you to detach the canister for easy cleaning of stairs and above-floor areas. Equipped with a HEPA filter, it captures allergens and dust, making it ideal for allergy sufferers. The vacuum's swivel steering enhances maneuverability, while the anti-allergy seal ensures that allergens are trapped inside. With a large capacity dust cup, it requires less frequent emptying, making it a practical choice for maintaining a clean home. We hope you enjoyed our top 3 vacuum cleaner that you can buy online through Amazon and at the best prices. Remember that you'll find the links to buy these products in the video description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our updates. See you in the next video.